The smartphone market is at the midst of one of the worst slumps ever, as overall sale in 2022 plummeted more than 11% around the world, and Samsung was hit particularly hard by the downturn, shipping almost 16% fewer phones than last year that they did in 2021. So the company has a lot of hope in its Galaxy S23 series. The flagship appears to have a successful launch, as pre-order sales figures from around the world indicate Samsung could be coming out of this. We will start things off in Asia, Samsung home continent. The S23 line pre-orders are already double than those with the S22. What announced a historical card for the new generation S series worldwide. 60% of the people has been opting for S23 Ultra compared to S22 series. This year, S23 lineup sold at least 10% more units during the pre-order period. In Taiwan and South Korea, growths were even stronger. In India, which saw twice as many pre-orders as the last year, including 1,400,000 units sold within the first 48 hours. That's a pure indication of Samsung work paid off. Samsung haven't announced sales number in the US yet, but if the rest of the world is going crazy with the S23 Ultra, then definitely there is a hope that US market will be having a great success in pre-order. Meanwhile, Samsung is leading the charge on ray tracing for mobile games. Samsung says that it wants to be actively involving in adding the development of the ray tracing in mobile games. The news came via the company Mobile World Congress presence and come just a week after release of its flagship phone, the S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is the hottest new thing for Samsung, and it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. That's a chip that just so happened to support hardware-based ray tracing. The perspective of ray tracing coming to mobile games in any meaningful way surely be one that excites gamers. If you don't know the ray tracing, well, basically it's a technique that renders light in a way that make it look as if it's coming from a specific light source. But it's also a technique that requires plenty of graphical horsepower in order to work properly. That horsepower isn't something that has traditionally been associated with phones, but that is changing. Super fast chips from Apple plus Qualcomm on Snapdragon chips means that phones and tablets are now faster and more capable than ever before. So what do you guys think about the upcoming hardware-based ray tracing features? Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed the video, a sub to the channel will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching. Peace out.